Here's some Volkswagen Beetle trivia. Subscribe. Who was the chief designer of the Beetle? Is it A. Ferdinand Porsche, B. Enzo Ferrari, C. Carl Benz, or D. Henry Ford? The correct answer is A. Ferdinand Porsche. In which country was the Volkswagen Beetle first manufactured? Is it A. Italy, B. France, C. Brazil, or D. Germany? The correct answer is D. Germany. Which company produced the Beetle? Is it A. Ford, B. Volkswagen, C. Honda, or D. Toyota? The correct answer is B. Volkswagen. Which model replaced the Beetle in 1998? Is it A. Passat, B. New Beetle, C. Golf, or D. Jetta? The correct answer is B. New Beetle. What significant event led to the Beetle's popularity post-WWII? Is it A. Economic recovery, B. Cultural revolution, C. Great Depression, or D. Moon landing? The correct answer is A. Economic recovery. How many generations of the Beetle exist? Is it A6, B4, C5, or D3? The correct answer is 3. Which country produced a special edition of the Beetle as a tribute? Is it A. Japan, B. Italy, C. Germany, or D. Mexico? The correct answer is D. Mexico. Who featured the Beetle on their album cover? Is it A. the Rolling Stones, B. Nirvana, C. the Beatles, or D. Pink Floyd? The correct answer is C. the Beatles. Thanks for watching. Comment with how many questions you got correct. Should we make the next video have easier or harder problems? Was the difficulty just right? Do you have suggestions for future trivia topics? Don't forget to drop a like and sub if you enjoyed the video.